The 22 News Storm Team has declared a severe weather alert day as a winter storm is expected to dump several inches of snow across Massachusetts tomorrow. Meteorologist Jennifer Paillet is working for you with how to prepare for this upcoming storm.
Yeah, Ashley, today is the definition of calm before the storm, and the nice day today gave people time to get out and get things done. Hopefully you didn't get used to that bare ground and grass on your yard as more snow is headed our way. Living in New England, most people are used to snowstorms in March, but sometimes they're really not ready for it. That's why the day before a snowstorm, you'll most likely see crowds at gas stations and, of course, food stores. 22 News went to Big Y in Springfield to find a little more of a crowd than on a regular day.
Today's crazy. It kind of started off that way. We knew it was going to be, with the impending doom tomorrow. So, but we're ready. We're professionals. Is what we do. So everyone's here for their comfort food. Everyone is here for their rotisserie chickens and their chips and their their cupcakes and their cakes.
It's not just stores that were getting ready for the snow and crowds. It was a busy day at the Department of Public Works in Springfield, where the salt trucks are lined up and ready to go for Wednesday. This could be Western Massachusetts' biggest snowstorm of the season. If you still have things to do later on tonight, you're in luck because the snow isn't expected until tomorrow morning.